Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tech Explorer. Today we are diving into the upcoming Honor Magic 7 Pro. This flagship phone promises to be a game changer with its cutting-edge technology, jaw-dropping design, and features that push the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. From next-gen display tech to blazing fast performance, let's explore why the Honor Magic 7 Pro is one of the most anticipated phones of 2024. Let's kick things off with the design. Honor has always delivered aesthetically pleasing phones, and the Magic 7 Pro is no exception. Expect a sleek, curved design with a 6.8-inch OLED display that supports QHD+ resolution. This gives you vibrant colors and crisp detail, perfect for everything from watching movies to gaming. What's more, Honor is rumored to introduce a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and responsiveness, especially in mobile gaming and web browsing. The glass back with metal frames will not only make the phone feel premium but also ensure durability. It's expected to have an IP68 rating, making it resistant to dust and water, so you won't have to worry about accidental spills or rain. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The Honor Magic 7 Pro will reportedly be powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB UFS 4.0 storage, this phone is built to handle anything you throw at it, whether it's heavy gaming, multitasking, or content creation. Performance enthusiasts will also appreciate the improved cooling system, which means no overheating during intensive tasks. And of course, it's going to run on macOS based on Android 14, bringing you the latest Android features with Honor's unique optimizations. The real star of the show is the camera. Honor has been stepping up their game with each iteration, and the Magic 7 Pro is no exception. The phone is expected to house a 50MP primary sensor, a 64MP periscope telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom, and a 50MP ultrawide camera. These combine to provide sharp images, even in low light, thanks to Honor's AI-powered image processing. The periscope telephoto is expected to offer incredible zoom capabilities, letting you capture distant objects with amazing clarity. On the front, a 32MP selfie camera will ensure you look your best in every video call or selfie, complete with portrait modes and AI enhancements. The Honor Magic 7 Pro isn't just about performance and cameras, it's also set to deliver on battery life. The phone is rumored to come with a 5500 mAh battery that can easily last a full day of heavy use. But here is the kicker. It will support 100W wired charging and 50W wireless charging, meaning you can juice up your phone in no time. In just 20 to 30 minutes, you'll be ready to go for the day, making it perfect for those who are always on the move. Honor is also expected to pack in a ton of smart features. The in-display fingerprint scanner will offer quick and secure unlocking, and for the security conscious, it will likely include 3D Face Unlock. Another exciting addition is support for Wi-Fi 7, making downloads and streaming faster than ever before. Paired with 5G and Bluetooth 5.3, the Magic 7 Pro ensures you're always connected. Finally, you can expect stereo speakers with DTS-X for a more immersive audio experience, whether you're gaming or streaming your favorite shows. In summary, the Honor Magic 7 Pro is shaping up to be a true flagship contender for 2024. With its powerful chipset, incredible camera system, and lightning-fast charging, it's designed for power users and tech enthusiasts alike. The premium build and additional features like Wi-Fi 7 and 5G connectivity make this phone future-proof, ready for anything. If you're in the market for a high-end smartphone that does it all, this could be the one to wait for. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official launch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews, tips, and the latest tech news. Until next time, keep exploring. Thanks for watching Techsplorer. Drop a comment below on what feature you're most excited about in the Honor Magic 7 Pro. Also, if you want more in-depth reviews and hands-on coverage when this phone hits the market, stay tuned. See you in the next video.